In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best Dutch ovens. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best Dutch ovens. Number 5, Lodge Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. A true classic. The Lodge 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven combines affordability with top-notch performance. Designed for both cooking and serving, this Dutch oven is a staple for home chefs who love slow-cooked comfort meals. The enameled cast iron ensures superior heat distribution and retention, making it ideal for broiling, braising, baking, or roasting. Its chip-resistant porcelain enamel finish not only enhances durability, but also makes for a smooth, easy-to-clean cooking surface. The tightly fitting lid helps seal in moisture, keeping your meals juicy and flavorful. One of the standout features of the Lodge Dutch oven is its versatility. It works on all stovetops, including induction, and is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The loop-side handles offer a secure grip, making it easy to transport from the kitchen to the table. Whether you're marinating, cooking, refrigerating, or serving, this pot does it all. As a family-owned brand with a long-standing reputation for quality, Lodge delivers an affordable Dutch oven that doesn't compromise on performance. If you want a reliable and budget-friendly option that lasts, the Lodge Dutch oven is a fantastic choice. Number 4, Mueller Dutch Dutch Oven. The Mueller Dutch Dutch oven is a kitchen multitasker that elevates everyday cooking. With its durable enameled cast iron construction, this pot excels in heat retention and even cooking, making it perfect for everything from searing and frying to slow cooking and baking. The tight-fitting lid locks in moisture, while the raised nodes inside help continuously baste your food, ensuring deep, rich flavors. Its high-gloss enamel finish is both beautiful and functional, offering superior rust resistance and a natural non-stick interior that improves over time. Versatility is a key strength of the Mueller Dutch. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this Dutch oven handles every type of cooking with ease. The wide, sturdy handles and stainless steel knob make it easy to maneuver, even when full. Cleaning is simple, with both dishwasher-safe convenience and easy hand-washing care. Whether you're making a cozy winter stew or serving up a fresh-baked casserole, the Mueller Dutch is a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Number 3, Overmont Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. For those looking for a reliable Dutch oven without the premium price tag, the Overmont Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven delivers impressive performance. Made with heavy-duty enamel-coated cast iron, this pot offers exceptional heat distribution and retention, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. Its unique lid design prevents moisture loss by evenly distributing condensation back onto your food, keeping meals succulent and flavorful. Whether you're braising meats, roasting vegetables, or baking sourdough bread, this Dutch oven is up for the challenge. Designed for versatility, the Overmont Dutch oven works on all stovetops, including gas, electric, ceramic, and induction, and is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The smooth enamel surface makes cleaning effortless, requiring just a gentle wipe with a sponge or cloth. Plus, it comes with thoughtful extras like a cookbook and cotton pot holders, making it a great starter piece for home cooks. With its sturdy construction and stylish design, this Dutch oven proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get high-quality cookware that enhances your meals. Number 2, Le Creuset Round Dutch Oven. Le Creuset has long been a gold standard in kitchenware, and their signature round Dutch oven proves why. This enameled cast iron masterpiece offers unbeatable heat distribution and retention, ensuring that every meal is cooked evenly and to perfection. Unlike traditional cast iron, this Dutch oven requires no seasoning, and its smooth, light-colored interior enamel makes it easy to monitor your food as it cooks. The tight-fitting lid is designed to circulate steam and retain moisture, keeping dishes juicy and flavorful. From slow-simmering stews to artisan bread baking, this Dutch oven does it all with effortless precision. Beyond its performance, Le Creuset is known for its durability. The enamel is resistant to dulling, staining, chipping, and cracking, meaning this is a pot that will last for generations. The ergonomic handles and stainless steel knob make lifting and handling easy, even when full. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction and oven-safe up 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it's as versatile as it is reliable. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleanup. With its classic design and vibrant color options, Le Creuset's Dutch oven is not just cookware. It's an heirloom piece that brings both style and function to any kitchen. Number 1. Staub Round Cocotte. The Staub Round Cocotte is a premium Dutch oven designed for those who take their cooking seriously. With its enameled cast iron construction and gorgeous basil green Majolique finish, it adds both beauty and functionality to your kitchen. The black matte enamel interior is a game changer. It requires no seasoning and delivers superior browning while ensuring exceptional heat retention and distribution. Whether you're slow cooking a hearty stew or roasting tender meats, the heavyweight, tight-fitting lid works wonders. Thanks to the self-basting spikes under the lid, moisture is evenly returned to your dish, creating deep, rich flavors with every meal. Plus, its smooth enamel bottom is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it a versatile kitchen essential. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the Staub Cocotte lets you take your culinary creations straight from stovetop to oven with ease. The craftsmanship is impeccable, making it a long-lasting investment for your kitchen. Unlike other Dutch ovens, its enamel doesn't dull over time, ensuring it stays as stunning as the day you bought it. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or just love cooking for family and friends, this cocotte delivers restaurant-quality results. If you're looking for a Dutch oven that's as stylish as it is effective, the Staub Round Cocotte is a top-tier choice that won't disappoint. And there you have it, the top 5 best Dutch ovens that will transform your home cooking experience. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.